Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you this healthy bread which is called Avocado Cloud Bread. So I hope you guys like it. Let's go right into the video. So you will need one avocado and 2 eggs. Now we're gonna take out the avocado and smash it with a fork. Now we're gonna separate the egg whites and the yolk and add the yolk straight away on the avocado and add some salt, baking soda, some vinegar, or you could add vanilla if you want or any spices you like. Now we're gonna whisk the egg whites until become white and creamy. And then mix everything together and shape it as you like. This is optional guys, you can leave it plain or you can add on top any kind of seeds you like. I just like to add some sesame, coconut shredded and black seed. And then put it in the oven on 170 degrees about 10 to 15 minutes. Just keep watching it. So I hope you guys liked the video. If so, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Hit the notification bell to receive all future videos. Let me know in the comment below about your opinion and see you in the next video. Bye!